Guys, the other day I made you some turkey burgers, and I'm going to make them again because I did them wrong the other day. I put a tablespoon of sea salt in them, and they were great. We ate them, but they were too salty for me. But today, I'm doing this because I have a fresh pound of turkey. I'm going to meal prep my turkey burgers. I love this recipe. I've said it enough. It's from Instant Loss, Brittany Williams. I have to grab an egg. Oh, sorry, I should have had this out. By love it, I mean love it. So Dave did not eat the one with spinach in it, so I'm making it today as a meal prep to show you that you can do these ahead of time. I'm going to make 4 big patties out of this, and I'm going to freeze them. And then when I want this recipe, I put an egg and a pound of turkey that was 93% lean. This is my simple recipe. I do have it memorized now. Into this, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced onion. There's where I went wrong the other day. Happy New Year, everyone. I already did broccoli salad with this get up on. So Brenda, I'm still wearing it. She told me I had to wear it a week, but I'm not sure I'm going to do that. Tablespoon of minced onion. And I did a tablespoon of sea salt. Don't do that. Do not be Lori when you grow up. It's a teaspoon of sea salt. And trust me, they tasted salty. We ate them because we ate them. But I'm not a salt fan. If you're a salt fan, you might want that. But 1 teaspoon. I'm going to be more careful. When I do my videos, I have to pay attention to the recipe. 1/4 cup of scallions. So I had 3 left. Does this seem weird that I made this whole meal prep because I had 3 scallions that I needed to use up? And I just got a grocery delivery on New Year's Day this morning. And it had fresh spinach in it. And I had some spinach to use up. So I thought, I have the turkey out. I'm going to make meal prepped turkey burgers. This is how you set yourself up for success. For real. I mean, I say it every day, I think. My freezer is stocked. In February, I'm having a major operation. I want things done that are going to be so easy for me when I come home. So I'm going to take, it's supposed to be a 1/2 cup of spinach. I'm putting my spinach in the whole thing this time because these are just for me. I do have other burgers for Dave. He does not eat spinach. That's the only thing that he doesn't eat in this recipe. So I prep everything, put it in my freezer all year long now. It helps my life. Like on a day I don't want to cook, I can go do something. Take soups out, chilies out, stews out. Everything you see me make goes in the freezer, and it's usually a lunch or a dinner. We're going to call that a 1/2 cup. I think it's more, but I can't have too much spinach. I love it. So, do you meal prep yet? Are you meal prepping? I have to say, bariatric surgery, I posted today. I'm down to about 182 pounds. That sounds like a lot for a lot of women. I'm 5'7". I'm wearing a size 12 pants with room. Like I'm worried. 1/4 cup of oats. Worried that I don't want to go any smaller because I just don't. I feel good at this. My surgeon wants me to go to about 165, and that might happen. I don't know. I try to eat everything that goes in my body. I try to make it nutritious. These can't get much more nutritious. That's the whole recipe. 1 egg, 1 pound of turkey, 1/2 cup of spinach, teaspoon of sea salt, tablespoon of minced onion, 1/4 cup of green onions or scallions, whatever you want to call them. So this you can make into a meatloaf. You can make into individual muffins, meatloaf muffins, or you could do what I'm going to do and make it into 4 patties so that you can cook them when you want to. I have not made these ahead of time and froze them, but I know they're going to be fine. Actually, the meatloaf idea is fine too. So I just wish I won't make the whole thing at once because it would be me. I don't like to eat the same thing day after day. I like things different. So I do believe I'm going to do them into 4 patties. So I think what I'm going to do is, let's see, how do I want to do this, you guys? Hang on, I got one more thing. This is how I go. I improvise as I go. I know. You guys bear with me all the time too. So, I'm thinking 4 individual Ziplocs, and then I'm going to put them in a gallon Ziploc. So, we're going to see how this is going to work. I'm also thinking I'm not going to form them into a patty. I'm going to plop them in with a spoon, and then when I thaw one out, all I have to do is form it then. What do you think? You know what? You can't answer me because this isn't a live show. So let's see what I can do here. I've got all the mixture mixed pretty well. So it's turkey, spinach, oats. I'm gonna flatten it out. I'm doing a Rachel Ray technique. This is what she does. She flattens it out and then she scores it, she calls it, which is basically doing the sign of the cross down the middle. Can you see that? So now you're gonna try to put, I probably can form it right in this baggie because I formed it last week using a spoon. Take a quarter of it out. These little holders are the bomb. You can form it doing the patty right here. You're gonna make a patty. Oh, this is the greatest thing, you guys. Look, I got a patty. Yeah, you might want to do 4 in a bag, but then you got to worry about them touching each other. Get the air out. You never touched the meat, by the way. I have no gook on my hands. 1 done. Next one's going to go on the bag stand. What do you think? Would you do this? So, on a day in January or February that you're in the mood for one of these turkey burgers like I will be, pop it in. Take it out of your bag stand. Make your patty in the bag. It will come right out of this bag when it freezes, or when it thaws too. Form it. Close her up. Get the air out. And then stack her up. And I have to label these because I have things in my freezer that I always label. This works out great. Yeah, I'm wasting 4 bags, putting it in a 5th bag because I like it in a Ziploc. Make sure no air goes in. And now I have 4 meal prepped, healthy, good for you turkey burgers without touching the meat. Is even better. Make my patty. Same thing times 4. Would you do this? You don't have to do the spinach. You could be like Dave. You can do it with whatever ingredients you like. You guys, here's the thing. If you have recipes that you think are working for you, please share them with me. I'm so excited to get recipes that I haven't thought of, haven't seen, and let's help each other. So if you have a turkey burger or a healthy high protein recipe, sock it to me, please. 1 more to go, and then that's my meal prepped turkey burgers with all fresh ingredients, whole for you foods. It's a Whole30 diet. Nothing's left. I didn't even touch the meat barely. That was a little flick. And here's my 4th patty. It makes 4 4-ounce, perfectly pre-portioned out, healthy for you turkey burgers. I mean, granted, if you have a husband that loves everything. Now, I'll show you how I do this. There's no rocket science. You take a big baggie, and I'll label the outside one, and the 4 of them go in here. This way they have no chance. I would freeze them like this, laying flat. They have no chance of getting air. This way. Flatten this as much as you can. Can you see it? No, you can't see a thing. You can now. Meal prepped 4 burgers. Do this with burgers, do this with meatballs, do this with meatloaf, do this with grilled chicken, do this with your rotisserie chicken. If you don't want to eat it all that week, don't throw it away. Get little individual bags and you'll be happy in a week or 2 when you don't feel like cooking and you've done this. Happy New Year. Talk to you soon.